Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 8, OV 56. अफाटहा ब्रह्मांड विस्तार चंद्र सूर्य तारा भार निर्मित्याचा कौतुकाचा विचार लवभर कोणीही करीना. In the infinite expanse of the universe, the sun, the moon, and the innumerable stars were there, but there was nobody who wondered even for a moment about the Creator. हा सर्व खेळ करण्या आतू माझा जगदीशाचा काय हेतू ये अर्थींची निश्चय मातू एकही जंतू जाणेना. Not a single living creature had even given a thought to the motive behind the whole creation of the Lord. माझी अतुल वैभव समृद्धी जाणील ऐसा कुशाग्र बुद्धी प्राणी निर्मिला नाही तद्वधी विफल त्रिशुद्धी मम कार्य. My whole creation is futile till such time as I have not created a being who will be sharp and intelligent and who will appreciate the prosperity and abundance of my creation. ऐसे जाणुनी जगदीशे निर्मिला प्राणी मानव वेशे की जो सारासार बुद्धिवशे मज सामर्थ्ये जाणील. Having thus thought to himself, God created man, who, with his sense of discretion, would know his powers. अगाध माझे वैभव, तैशीच माझी शक्ती अपूर्व, माझ्या मायेचा हा खेळ सर्व, आश्चर्यपूर्वक तो जाणे. My glory is limitless, my powers are incomparable. This creation is the result of my Maya. With wonder he will realize that all this is the sport of my Maya. तोची करील ज्ञान संपादन मच्चिंतन आणि मदवलोकन तोची होईल आश्चर्य संपन्न होईल तै पूर्ण खेळ माझा. He only will gain knowledge. He only will be able to concentrate on me and realize me. He only will be benefited. Then only will the creation be complete. प्रेक्षकांची जी आनंद संपन्नता तिची मज माझे खेळाची सांगता पाहुनी माझी जगन्नियंत्रुता नर कृतार्थता मानील. The fulfillment of my creation lies in the great happiness of my spectators, that is men. Man will be grateful when he will realize my empire and that I am the whole and sole controller or holder of the reins. काम्य कर्मे द्रव्योपार्जन एतदर्थ न शरीर पोषण यावज्जीव तत्वज्ञान संपादन हेच जीवन साफल्य. Life is not to be lived only for doing work, to fulfill one's wishes to acquire wealth, and for earning money. Until one survives, one should study the philosophy of life. That is the aim of life. तत्व तेची जे अभेद ज्ञान तेची उपनिषद ब्रह्मज्ञान तेची परमात्मोपासन तेची तो भगवान भक्तांचा. The knowledge of reality is oneness. That is also the knowledge of Brahma, as prescribed by the Upanishads. That is itself the worship of God. That is the real God for the devotees. गुरु ब्रह्म नव्हेत दोन झाले जया हे अभेद ज्ञान हीच भक्ती घडता जाण माया तरण सुगमजे. Guru and Brahma are not two separate entities. One who has realized the oneness, he, as it were, has practiced devotion. This realization is the easiest way to overcome Maya. जे श्रद्धावंत पुरुष योग्य संपादिते ज्ञान वैराग्य हे आत्मतत्वची निजभोग्य भक्ति सभाग्य ते जाना. Those wise men who have faith, who have acquired knowledge, and those who are non-attached, who have realized that Atma Tattva, which is experienced by them, know that they are really the fortunate devotees.